Seniors, listen carefully, because what I'm about to share may completely change how you see your body, your strength, and your future. For decades, we've been told that weakness after 60 is normal, that tired legs, slow movement, and loss of balance are just part of aging. But that belief is not only wrong, it's damaging. The truth is, your body is not failing you. It's responding to what you give it, or more accurately, what it's been missing. Inside your muscles, especially in your legs, there are systems designed to repair, rebuild, and regenerate tissue every single day. These systems don't disappear with age. They go quiet when they are undernourished, underused, and overwhelmed by stress and inflammation. That silence is what many scientists now describe as age-related muscle shutdown. And the good news is, it can be reversed. Most seniors don't lose strength because they are old. They lose strength because their muscles stop receiving the signals they need to stay alive and active. Those signals come from three places: nutrition, movement, and mindset. When even one of these is missing, muscles begin to shrink, circulation slows, and everyday actions like standing up or climbing stairs start to feel heavy. But when all three are restored, something incredible happens. Muscle fibers wake up, blood flow improves, nerves reconnect with strength they thought was gone forever. This isn't theory. This is physiology. Your legs are the largest muscles in your body. They act like engines that drive your entire system. When leg strength declines, energy drops everywhere, balance suffers, confidence fades. But when leg strength improves, the opposite happens. Seniors report feeling younger, not because their age changed, but because their body finally remembered how to function. And the most powerful part is this: rebuilding strength does not require intense workouts, expensive supplements, or hours in a gym. It begins with simple choices made consistently. Food is not just fuel. Food is information. Every bite you take sends chemical messages into your muscles, telling them either to rebuild or to break down. Many seniors unknowingly eat foods that increase inflammation, spike blood sugar, and block nutrient absorption. Over time, this starves muscle tissue even when calories are plentiful. But when you shift toward foods that stabilize blood sugar, improve circulation, support protein synthesis, muscles respond quickly, even after decades of decline. Movement doesn't mean punishment. It means reminding your body that it is still needed. Gentle walking, slow rising from a chair, light leg extensions, and simple balance movements activate muscle fibers that have been asleep for years. These movements send powerful signals to the brain, telling it to preserve strength instead of surrendering it. And the remarkable thing is, muscles respond to intention just as much as intensity. Even small daily movements create momentum inside the body. But perhaps the most underestimated factor is mindset. Many seniors unknowingly tell their bodies to weaken through the words they repeat in their minds. I'm too old. That's just aging. I can't do what I used to. The brain listens. Muscles listen. When the mind expects decline, the body follows. But when you replace that story with a new one, when you remind yourself that your body is adaptable, intelligent, and resilient, chemistry changes. Stress hormones decrease. Healing hormones increase. This is not motivation talk. This is measurable biology. Your body was built to last far longer than most people believe. The issue is not age. The issue is whether your muscles are receiving the signals they need to stay alive. In the coming moments, you're going to learn how simple daily choices can restore strength, improve balance, and bring back the confidence that many seniors think is gone forever. Stay with me, because the next part reveals how everyday habits quietly steal strength and how replacing them can make your legs feel lighter, stronger, and more responsive than they've felt in years. Of the biggest mistakes seniors make is believing that health changes must be dramatic to be effective. In reality, the body responds best to gentle, consistent signals. Your muscles don't need to be shocked. They need to be reminded. Every time you stand up slowly instead of pushing with your hands, you remind your legs that they still matter. Every time you walk with intention, even for a few minutes, you increase circulation to muscles that may have been deprived of oxygen for years. Blood carries nutrients. Nutrients carry life. This is how strength returns. Diet plays a critical role, but not in the way most people think. Seniors often focus on eating less, fearing weight gain, when what they truly need is eating smarter. Muscles require amino acids to rebuild, minerals to contract, and vitamins to protect the tiny power centers inside cells. When these are missing, muscles shrink even if calories are high. When they are present, muscles rebuild even without intense exercise. That's why seniors who change what they eat often feel stronger within weeks, not months. Hydration is another silent factor. As we age, thirst signals weaken, but muscles still rely on water to function. Dehydrated muscles cramp, weaken, and fatigue easily. Simply increasing water intake, especially earlier in the day, improves muscle elasticity, and reduces stiffness. Many seniors are shocked to discover how much stronger they feel simply by drinking more consistently. Sleep is where strength is protected. Most age-related muscle loss occurs at night, not during the day. Poor sleep increases stress hormones that actively break down muscle tissue, creating a calming evening routine. Eating balanced meals earlier and reduce mental stimulation before bed allows the body to repair itself. Seniors who improve sleep often notice better balance and coordination within days. Then there is inflammation, the silent thief of strength. Chronic low-grade inflammation interferes with muscle repair, circulation, and nerve signaling. It's fueled by stress, processed foods, and inactivity, but it's reduced by gentle movement, whole foods, deep breathing, and gratitude. When inflammation decreases, muscles respond faster to nutrition and movement. Pain lessens. Mobility improves. A positive mindset is not about pretending everything is perfect. It's about choosing curiosity over fear. Instead of asking, "What if I fall?" ask, "What can I do today to feel steadier?" Instead of saying, "I can't," say, "I'll try carefully." These shifts change how the nervous system operates. Confidence improves posture. Better posture improves balance. Balance protects strength. Everything is connected. Seniors who regain strength often say the same thing. They stopped fighting their body and started working with it. They respected its pace. They fed it properly. They moved it gently but consistently. And most importantly, they believed improvement was possible. The human body is designed to adapt at every age. Studies repeatedly show that even people in their 80s and 90s can rebuild muscle, improve walking speed, and regain independence when given the right signals. Your past does not define your physical future. Whether you've been active or sedentary, strong or struggling, your body is listening right now. Every choice you make today sends instructions into your muscles about what comes next. In the final part, you'll learn how combining simple nutrition, light daily movement, and a resilient mindset creates a powerful upward cycle that keeps seniors feeling capable, energetic, and youthful far longer than most expect. The most empowering truth about aging is this: decline is optional, but intention is required. Strength is not something you either have or don't have. It's something your body continuously negotiates based on how you treat it. When seniors commit to small daily actions, something remarkable happens. The body stops preparing for shutdown and starts preparing for survival. Muscles respond. Energy rises. Fear fades. Consistency always beats intensity. A short daily walk is more powerful than a long walk done once a week. A balanced meal eaten regularly does more than a perfect meal eaten occasionally. Light exercises performed daily protect joints better than heavy exercises done rarely. Your body thrives on rhythm. When you create routines, muscles anticipate activity and stay ready. Mental engagement matters just as much as physical action. When you focus on how your body feels during movement, you strengthen the connection between the brain and muscles. This improves coordination and reduces the risk of falls. Seniors who move with awareness often feel steadier even before muscles visibly grow stronger. The nervous system learns first. The muscles follow. Social connection also plays a role in strength. Isolation increases stress, which accelerates muscle loss. Conversations, laughter, and shared meals reduce stress hormones and improve recovery. Seniors who stay socially engaged often maintain better mobility and posture. Emotional health directly influences physical health. Gratitude is not just emotional. It lowers cortisol, improves sleep, and enhances immune function. A grateful mind supports a resilient body. When seniors appreciate what their bodies can still do, rather than focusing on limitations, they create an internal environment where healing is possible. Aging does not mean becoming fragile. It means becoming selective. Selective about food that nourishes. Selective about movement that supports. Selective about thoughts that empower. Your body is not asking for perfection. It's asking for attention. If you begin today, gently, patiently, and consistently, your legs can become stronger. Your steps can become steadier. Your confidence can return, not because you turned back time, but because you finally gave your body what it needed to move forward. Your age is not the end of your strength story. It is simply a chapter. And with the right choices, the chapters ahead can be some of the strongest yet.